Don't fucking hit me, motherfucker, you just hit me.
The complainant.
And now they're driving away.
No, he did hit him. It's a signal 4 now.
He hit me and he's trying to drive away. So now we're stopped here by the side of Panera Bread and Lychee.
Okay.
A driver, a parking lot, an open drink in the cup holder, and a choice that turned a bad night into a criminal conviction. Next.
Van, or what was it?
It's a SUV. It's an ML350. And we're making an illegal left-hand turn here. He's pulling into a parking... No, he's not. He's still driving. He's probably seeing if I'm following him. We're passing Chico's again. We just made a loop around. And they just came to a stop. And
in front of what business?
Chico's. He's just sitting there. He's got his.
And that's a nail place, right?
No, it's a clothing place.
Clothing store.
Yep. And now he's trying to back up. Don't fucking hit me, motherfucker! You just hit me.
The complainant.
And now they're driving away.
No, he did hit him. It's a signal 4 now.
He hit me and he's trying to drive away. So now we're stopped here by the side of Panera Bread and Lychee.
Okay. Can you repeat the tag one more time since you're behind him right now? Because it did not come back.
Apple. Popo just pulled up. Never mind. There we go. There we go. Looks like they're going to try to run. They're running. Hold on. They're running. Nope, not yet.
Okay. Try and give me the tag before anything else happens.
Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car.
I heard you the first time.
Get out, please.
Oh my God.
Should have Michigan tags on the Mercedes.
Oh no.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park. How do you put the car in park?
Oh really?
How do you put the car in park?
That's it.
All right, get out of the car for me. Stand over here. Stand back here. You do realize you just hit a car, right? Are you okay?
No.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm trying to get my mom's food back to her place.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay.
Where does she live?
Just over there.
Give me an address.
Can I sit down for a second?
You're fine here.
No, you got me like.
No,
Okay,
you're not going back in the car.
I mean, we see that you have an open container in the car.
You show signs of impairment, so
No.
we got a call about you swerving out of your lane of travel, almost hitting cars, and then this vehicle here, you backed into it. What's with that?
Oh my God. Please, God, don't do this to me.
Well, I'm not God, but
I know you're not God, but my mom is 82 years old, and I'm trying to just like enjoy my life with her.
I understand that, but
Was it here or by the Publix or by...
Oh God.
We are on the north side of Panera.
how
This
many
officer's talking to you.
how many of those Trulies have you had?
One.
Just one.
One. Yeah. One. Yeah. Please,
Okay.
God.
Have you had anything else?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Oh my God. Please.
Do you take any sort of medications?
I have, no. It's like non-existent. It's like a GERD thing, so it's
Okay.
no big deal.
Do you have anything else wrong with you as far as medical history goes? Any surgeries you've ever had? Disabilities? No?
Please, I can't have this happen.
All right.
Oh my God. Look at this. This is crazy. Why do we have so many
Can we check to make sure you don't have any damage to your car?
I'm fine.
Well, I want to check to make sure there's no damage.
No. No, I'm good.
Well, you don't call the shots here, okay? I'm just trying to be nice.
No, I don't have any. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, like I said,
I gotta go home to my mom.
Can you
please?
listen to me? We got a call about you driving erratic. People were concerned because you almost hit other vehicles. On top of that, you pulled into here and then you started backing up, hitting that Jeep right there.
Well, because it was a one-way street. That's why.
So why would you be backing up?
Because it was a one-way street. I'm like, I have to do something different.
This
That's
isn't
why.
a one-way street. You can have two vehicles through here.
Oh my God. I can't have this happen.
All
My
right.
mom is 82 years old.
Do not reach over to me.
No, my mom is 82 years old. I can't have this happen, please.
Okay, ma'am, that is besides the point. I mean, you literally just hit a car and you have
I did
alcohol
not
in your
hit-
vehicle.
I did not hit a car.
You
All right.
did. We're telling you that you did.
Well, to dispel any of that suspicion of you not being able to use your motor vehicle, I'm going to do some field sobriety exercises on you, okay?
3 independent legal bases justified this detention before the officer. Said a single word to the subject. First, a 911 report of erratic driving sufficient under Terry versus Ohio to establish reasonable, articulable suspicion. Second, the officer personally observed the collision on arrival, creating an independent on-scene basis entirely separate from the call. Third, a visible open container of alcohol in the passenger compartment, an independent statutory violation in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction, requiring no additional evidence of impairment. 3 separate legal triggers. Any one of them is enough. All 3 together make this detention legally unassailable.
No.
No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Do not walk away from me.
I have to call my mom.
Well, you can call her afterwards.
No, I
Okay?
have to call my mom.
You can call her afterwards.
Please. I have to call my mom.
Not right now. I will give you the opportunity to call her, but right now we're having
No, no.
we're talking to you, okay?
No. No.
Can you check if the caller wants 1025?
No. I have to call my mom. Oh, my
Is this
God.
vehicle registered to you?
Okay, you're not getting in your car right now.
If she's available, I need to
That's why I'm standing right here. What is it that you need?
I just want to get in and call my mom.
You're not calling your mom right now, like we've told you 3 times.
Please do. I need to speak to
You
her.
can call your mom in a little
This
bit.
cannot happen. No. This cannot happen. My mom is 82 years old. I'm here to, like, celebrate her life.
Okay, do you realize what's happening right now?
Yes, I
You
do.
have to deal with this before you can talk to your mom. You have hit a vehicle and you
I
have
didn't hit a
alcohol
vehicle.
in your car.
I did not hit a
Okay,
vehicle.
it's not up for discussion. You
Hold
did
on.
hit a vehicle is what we're telling
So,
you.
wait a second. Whose vehicle did I hit?
I believe that white,
That white
Jeep
Jeep
right
that's right there.
I
And you can't deny it because I literally pulled up and I saw you backing up, and then as soon as I turned my lights on, you started driving off, and then I had to tell you to stop, and you almost didn't stop.
I want to see it. Please.
Okay, you can see it because my
Yeah, I
camera
would like to
captures
see
it all.
Please. Yeah.
But you're not seeing it right now. Right now, what I want to do is some field sobriety exercises on you. Now, if you deny that, I'm gonna have to base all of the circumstances up to this point right now to decide what I want to do. So I'm giving you that opportunity to dispel. No, don't
Who
be
is
look.
the
Don't
man
look.
in the Rubicon? Is he there?
Yeah, that's
he's
the
there.
vehicle that you hit.
Yes.
How did I hit him? Can I talk to him?
No.
Why can't I?
Because you're talking to me.
Why can't I talk to him?
Because you're talking to me.
I can talk to him.
Okay.
I have my
Whenever I
rights to talk
decide.
to him.
Whenever I decide.
I have my rights to talk to him. I do.
Okay.
I know my rights. I can talk
That's
to him.
great. We're doing a DUI
I know.
investigation right now.
No.
Yeah, we
I
are.
know that I can talk to him.
Yeah. Whenever I give you the opportunity to.
No.
As of right now, we're doing a DUI. Listen to me.
No. You are wrong.
I'm
I
not.
can talk to him.
No.
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Will you be doing these field sobriety exercises for me?
Can I talk to him?
Will you be doing these field
Can I
sobriety?
talk to him?
Will you be doing these?
Can I talk to him?
No.
Am I allowed to talk
No.
to him? Why not? Why not?
Because we are doing a DUI investigation.
No, I can talk to him.
Okay, we need you to answer a question
No,
first.
I am not.
If you're not answering this question, I'm going to take it as a refusal that you do not want to take these sobriety exercises.
Oh, don't do that.
I will.
No.
I will.
No,
and
no,
everything
no.
is captured on camera, so I don't care what you say.
Okay, ma'am, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises? That's what we need to
I
know.
want to talk to him.
You will. You will
We
have the
understand
opportunity,
that.
but not right now.
I want to talk to him.
Okay.
I do want to talk to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Why can't I talk to him?
10:42.
Just call me
You
Lisa.
can talk to
Call
him.
me Lisa,
Okay,
please.
Lisa, can you listen to me for a second? We need you to answer a simple question. Are you willing to do these exercises or are you refusing?
I want to talk to him.
Once
Okay,
you answer
can
this
you
question,
answer my question.
No, I can't. Without answering that question, I want to talk to him.
Okay.
The person. Oh my God. Oh, I know him. Interesting. Okay.
okay. Are you willing to provide these field sobriety exercises? Yes or no? Lisa, yes or no?
Why can't I talk to him?
Like I said, answer this question, and
Why
then
can't I talk to him?
answer this question, and then we'll continue
Why
with
can't
that.
I talk to him?
Because as of right now, I am talking to you.
Like
All
we
right.
said, we'll handle that in a second, but we need you to answer a question before we can move forward.
Go ahead. Ask me the question again. I want to talk to him because I know him.
I need you to pay attention then, okay?
Yeah.
Are you willing to provide field sobriety exercises at this time? No?
No, I'm going to talk to him.
Field sobriety exercises are non-testimonial physical evidence. The Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination does not apply. Refusal is legally permissible, but it is not consequence-free. In most jurisdictions, refusal is admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt. More critically, FSE results are not the arrest threshold. The officer may arrest on the totality of circumstances alone. When the subject said no, the arrest was not a punishment for refusal. It was the natural conclusion of a probable cause assessment that had been complete for several minutes. The subject was charged with resisting without violence. Pulling away during handcuffing and refusing positioning commands meets this threshold regardless of the reason behind it. Can you hold on a second is not a lawful basis to pause an arrest. Once an officer initiates a lawful arrest, the subject's consent is not required. Emotional urgency is not a legal defense. The use of force falls within Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. Soft, empty hand control, no strikes, no weapons proportionate to a nonviolent but physically non-compliant subject. On the subject's request to speak with the Jeep driver, there is no constitutional right to speak with a civilian witness during an active law enforcement investigation. That protection applies to attorneys, not bystanders.
Okay. All right, turn around. Hands behind your back.
No.
Do not
don't
resist. Do not resist.
No.
Do not resist.
No. Please. No.
Nope.
Don't resist. So hold on. Wait a second. Can you please hold us? Can you hold on a second, please?
Detained or secured?
Please, can
Secured
you
for
hold on
now.
a second? No.
Stop moving. We're trying to lock the cuffs so they don't get
Can you
tighter.
hold on a second, please?
You gotta wait a second.
No.
We'll put her in my car for now.
No. Ma'am. No. You cannot do this, please. No.
Yeah, that's not for you. Secure right now.
Can you hold on a second, please?
Have a seat.
No.
You sure she doesn't have anything on her?
Can you hold on a second, please?
All right, have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
No.
Okay, you don't really have a choice, so take a seat or we're gonna have you take a seat.
Hold on. Can I ask you a question?
Have a seat.
Oh, please. I'm not doing this. Come on. I'm not doing this.
You're going to jail tonight for DUI, okay?
No.
The lead officer, B+. Legally sound detention, accurate FSE advisement, proportionate arrest. Minor deduction for a prolonged back and forth that clearer sequencing would have cut in half. The subject, C+. FSE refusal added no legal protection given existing probable cause. Physical resistance converted a DUI stop into additional criminal exposure. Emotional distress is understandable. It is not a defense. The Jeep driver, A-. Accurate reporting, safe following distance, full cooperation. One profane outburst at the collision moment prevents a clean A. 3 things this case teaches. 1. An open container hands officers a lawful detention basis before field sobriety testing even begins. 2. Refusing FSEs does not prevent arrest. It only removes the possibility of favorable results reaching a jury. 3. Resisting a lawful arrest is always a separate criminal act. The law has remedies for unlawful arrests. None of them happen at the scene. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.